Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Okay, today we see trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Actually, we have seen earlier there are 6 trigonometric ratios. What are they? First one is sin theta. Second one cos theta. Third one tan theta. Fourth one cosecant theta. Fifth one secant theta, and sixth one cot theta. Now here today we are going to apply those ratios for some of the angles. The specific angles are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So we are going to learn the values of sin 0 degrees, sin 30 degrees, sin 45 degrees, sin 60 degrees and sin 90 degrees. Similarly for cos, all the 5 values. For tan, all the 5 values. Like that, how many ratios are there? 6 ratios are there. How many specific values we are going to learn for each ratio? 5. So for 6 ratios, 6 5s are 30 values we are going to learn. Is it clear? So out of these, let us start the first one with 45 degrees. So first we learn 45 degrees means sin 45 degrees, cos 45 degrees, tan 45 is remaining all. Now here, for applying trigonometry according to our syllabus, which kind of triangle we are taking? Right angle triangle. But for finding 45 degrees, you have to take in right angle triangle only some other type of right angle triangle. That is what? In a triangle, if two sides are equal, what do we call the triangle? Isosceles triangle. Now here I will draw one triangle. This is a triangle in which, for example, these two sides are equal. That too, one of the angle is 90 degrees. What do we call this? Isosceles right angled triangle. Is it clear? It is isosceles because your two sides are equal. So let us name it as triangle ABC, in which angle B is 90 degrees. That is right angle triangle. That too, here these two symbols indicate that the side AB is equal to side BC. Now here let us consider one of these sides, either AB or BC, as, for example, I am taking some small a units. If AB is small a, then what is BC?
Small b.
That is also, these two are equal. If AB is small a and AB is equal to BC, then what is BC? This is also small a units. Right? Now again let us come back. How to find hypotenuse? How to find hypotenuse? By what theorem we can apply here? Let us apply Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem says that square of the hypotenuse. Here what is the hypotenuse? AC. So square of the hypotenuse means AC square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. If AC is hypotenuse, what are the other two sides? AB means AB square plus BC means BC square. So let us substitute the values. AC square is not known. That is what we are going to find. So let us write AC square as it is. And AB is how much? Small a. Then AB square will be? Small a square. Same way, BC is how much?
Small a.
Small a. Then BC square will be?
Small a square.
Small a square. What is a square plus a square?
A plus B also.
No. A square plus a square.
Power 4. 2.
A power 4 will come if you multiply a square into a square is a power 4.
2a.
Yes.
2a.
2a square. 2 times a square. A square plus a square is 2a square. Right? This is the value of AC square. Now we want only AC. What to do?
Square.
We need to apply
Square.
square roots. We need to apply square roots. So here AC square becomes AC only. A square becomes only A only. And what about 2?
4.
2 will become
4.
when we apply square root. When we apply square root.
2.
No. Square root of 4 is 2. Then what is the square root of 2? Yes? Square root of 2 is square root of 2 only. It does not have perfect square root. So it is root 2. Now here, can you tell me what is the value of AC?
Root 2A.
Root 2a. So let us write here root 2a. Clear? Now again, now we have all the three values. What is the value of AB?
Small a.
Small A.
BC,
Small a.
AC,
Root 2a.
angle B.
90 degrees.
Now here, for example, if I take here some angle X, can anyone tell me here what will be this angle? Think again and tell me which kind of triangle it is.
Isolation.
Isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and
2 angles.
two angles are equal. Which two angles are equal? Angles which are opposite to equal sides, those are equal. Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
Angles which are opposite to equal sides. Here AB is equal to BC. For AB, what is the opposite angle? Angle C. Angle C is equal to, for BC, what is the opposite angle?
Yeah.
These two angles are equal. If angle A is x degrees, angle C also will be x degrees. Angle B is already 90 degrees. Let us apply here angle sum property for finding angle A and angle C. Now here by angle sum property, by angle sum property, what is angle sum property? Angle A plus angle B
B.
plus angle C is equal to
180 degree.
180 degrees. Let us substitute the values. X plus angle B is
90 degree.
90 degrees plus angle C is x or x degrees is equal to 180. Now here x plus x, how much it is?
Square.
X into x is x square. Here I said x plus x is 2x. 2x plus 90 is equal to 180. Let us send 190 that side. So here 2x is equal to
180 minus
180 minus 90 is how much? 90. Then how to find x? X is equal to
90 by 2.
90 by 2. 90 by 2 is how much?
45.
45. That means here angle A and angle C each is 45 degrees. Is it clear? Now let us draw the same triangle with these values. Now here I am going to draw once again triangle ABC. Same triangle I am going to draw here. Here what will come? A. Here B. Here C. Now let us write the values. Here AB is of how much? Small a units. BC is also small a units because these two are equal. And AC
Root 2A.
root 2a. You should say separately. It is not root 2a. It is not root 2a. Root 2a or under root 2 into a. Now here angle B is 90 degrees. Earlier it was angle A was x. Now here what is x? Now angle A is how much? 45 degrees. Similarly, angle C is also
45 degrees.
45 degrees. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Here why I am not writing 45? Because by using this 45 we are going to find sin 45, cos 45, all the values. Is it clear? Not only here, you can take 45 here also. Okay, it's not at all problem. For example, here if we take angle A as 45, for that 45 degrees, what is the opposite side?
BC.
BC. BC is the opposite side. For that 45, what is the hypotenuse?
Yes.
AC is hypotenuse. Now clearly we can say which is adjacent side?
AB.
AB is adjacent side. Clear? Now we are going to find all the trigonometric ratios for this 45 degrees. Now first one, sin 45 degrees. Actually sin theta formula?
Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse.
Opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Now here can you tell me what is opposite side value? Small a. By hypotenuse value is root 2a. Here which one will get cancelled? A and A get cancelled one time. So here what is sin 45 value? 1 by root 2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now can you tell me what is sin 45 value?
1 by
1 by root 2. Is it clear? Now let us find cos 45. Cos 45 degrees. What is cos theta formula? Adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. Here from this figure, what is adjacent side? AB. AB value is how much? Small a. Small a by, again hypotenuse is root 2a. Here what will get cancelled? A and A get cancelled one time. So here what will you get? 1 by root 2. That means here you need to understand that sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degrees is also 1 by root 2. Is it clear? Now what are we going to find now? Tan 45 degrees. What is tan theta formula? Opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Here, what is opposite side? BC. BC is small a by adjacent side is also small a. A get cancelled. How many times? One time. So here, tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. Clear? Now, using which we can write the remaining 3 trigonometric ratios also. Here you see cosecant 45 degrees. Cosecant 45 degrees. Formula is this is reciprocal of sin theta. What is sin theta? Opposite side to theta by. So let us tilt it now. Hypotenuse by. So here what will come? 1 by root 2 will become root 2 by 1. What is root 2 by 1 value? Root 2 only. Any numerator by denominator, if the denominator is 1, then the same value remains. Root 2 by 1 is only root 2. So cosecant 45 degrees is root 2. Clear? Can we say secant 45 degrees? Secant 45 degrees. That is the reciprocal of cos 45 degrees. So these two are reciprocal to each other. If cos 45 is 1 by root 2, what is secant 45? Root 2. Clear? Now last one, that is cot 45 degrees. Cot 45 degrees is the reciprocal of tan 45 degrees. These two are reciprocal to each other. If tan 45 degrees is 1, what is cot 45 degrees? 1 only, because your 1 by 1 is always 1. Now here let us recall once again the values of, tell me sin 45 degrees, cos 45 degrees, tan 45 degrees, secant 45 degrees, cosecant 45 degrees, cot 45 degrees. Here you see 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, those are equal. 1 and 1, those are equal. Root 2 and root 2, those are equal. Is it clear? Now can we say without seeing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us try. Sin 45 degrees.
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. Cos 45 degrees.
1 by root 2.
Tan 45 degrees.
1.
Okay. Cosecant 45 degrees.
Root 2.
Secant 45 degrees.
Root 2.
Cot 45 degrees.
1.
Very good. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.